Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dryer repair is probably one of the most useful and cost-effective solutions for fixing your malfunctioning dryer, saving you from expensive professional repair calls and the inconvenience of a broken appliance. This video will guide you through the process of selecting and using a Whirlpool dryer repair kit, ensuring you get the most out of your purchase and restore your dryer to its optimal functionality. Number 5. Sumnew Dryer Kit. This kit is designed to fix a variety of dryer issues, saving you time and money on expensive repairs. It's easy to install and comes with everything you need. It's made with premium materials, built to last, and designed to withstand the high temperatures of your dryer. It meets or exceeds original manufacturer specifications. This kit fits many popular dryer models from top brands like Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, and more. Check the description to see if it's compatible with your dryer. Even beginners can install it in about 30 minutes using simple tools. Just follow the included instructions, and you'll be back to drying clothes in no time. Is your dryer making loud noises? This kit can fix squeaking, squealing, or other noises, and get your dryer running smoothly again. It can also solve issues with no heat or a drum that won't turn. We're here to help. Our customer service team is available 24/7 to answer your questions and provide support. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This kit boasts superior materials, promising durability. It's also incredibly user-friendly, making DIY repairs a breeze. If you need a reliable, easy-to-install solution for various dryer brands, this is the one for you. What people say. The rollers are smooth, the belt feels solid, and the clips and tensioner gave me no issues. I've been using this kit for a few months now and it's been working great. Fit perfectly, installs easily. The drum on my dryer was struggling to turn when any amount of wet clothes/towels, etc. were loaded in. Disassembly of the dryer revealed a dry and cracking belt which was likely just spinning around the drum. I got the kit to replace the rollers and the belt at the same time and it worked like a charm. Super inexpensive maintenance kit that likely added another 5 to 10 years to the life of the dryer. The best part, it was a breeze to install. Number 4. PartsBroz 439-2067 Kit. This kit is a perfect solution for your dryer repair needs. It's compatible with many major brands and models, ensuring a reliable fix. It works with various part numbers, including 439-2067, AP3109602, and PS373088, making it suitable for Whirlpool, Maytag, Kenmore, and KitchenAid dryers. Is your dryer noisy or the drum not spinning? This kit addresses those issues, restoring your dryer to optimal performance. It includes high-quality components built for durability and long-lasting use, ensuring efficient dryer operation for years to come. This kit fits a wide range of models, including MEDB 855DC4, WED 5100HW1, and many more. Check the compatibility list to see if it's right for your dryer. While specific instructions may vary, this kit is designed for straightforward installation, saving you time and money. What we like. It's a perfect match for specific models, ensuring seamless compatibility. It's compatible with major appliance brands, giving you peace of mind. If your dryer is noisy or the drum isn't spinning, this kit offers a reliable fix. What people say. The new drum rollers are an exact fit on the old roller axles. The tolerances are so tight that they were difficult to install, but once I got the rollers started onto the shafts they fit perfectly. For a big fix this was simple. The rollers came off easy and the belt was nice and tight as I would expect. Very happy with the kit. 30-minute total to pull the machine down, clean it out and put it all back in place. Everything fit properly. The rollers were a bit tight going on. I just used a light oil to help slide them on the shafts. Number 3. Whirlpool 4392065 RC Kit. This is a genuine Whirlpool part, designed to meet Whirlpool's high standards. It ensures your appliance continues to perform at its best. It replaces many different parts, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of Whirlpool dryers. Check your model number to confirm compatibility. This complete kit includes everything you need: a dryer belt, drum support rollers, idler pulley, roller tri-rings, and a clip. Simple instructions are also included. It repairs defective parts that cause excessive noise in your dryer. Get your appliance running quietly again. Using this kit helps extend the life of your dryer. It's a cost-effective way to keep your appliance running smoothly. For over a century, Whirlpool has been committed to quality. These parts are made with durable materials and innovative processes. What we like. This kit uses genuine parts, guaranteeing quality and performance. It comes with everything you need for a thorough repair. If you value quality and want to extend the life of your appliance, this is the superior choice. What people say. The roller and belt kit worked well and came with all needed parts. The installation was straightforward. OEM the only way to go. Fits perfectly and my dryer works as new. Number 2. Funmit 439-2065 Kit. This kit is designed to fix common dryer problems, saving you time and money on professional repairs. It's compatible with many major dryer brands. Inside, you'll find everything you need: an idler pulley, a drum belt, and dryer support rollers. All the essential parts for a complete repair. It works with various 29-inch wide dryers from Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, and more. Check the description to see if it's compatible with your model. It's made with high-quality materials that meet OEM standards. This ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. It's designed for easy installation. This kit can fix noisy operation, no-start issues, heating problems, and more. Watch our helpful video tutorial. We stand behind our product. If you have any quality issues within a year, contact our customer service team for assistance. What we like. This kit offers excellent value for money without compromising quality. It's designed for simple installation, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a high-quality, affordable solution, this kit is a great option. What people say. My dryer started making a very loud noise and would move when operated. I was told to order an overhaul kit and they would come fix it for me. I looked for the brand name kit and not only was it but was out of stock. So I found this generic kit for less than my friend came and swapped out the drum support rollers and now my dryer runs like it's new. Easy repair and parts were good. Fit perfectly. Replacement wheels and tension pulley work great. The squeaking of the old ones were driving me crazy. This was the fix that did the trick. Number 1. 439-2065 Dryer Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed to fix your dryer's common issues. It includes everything you need for a smooth repair process. It's compatible with various dryer brands, including Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, Sears, and more. Check if your model is on the list before purchasing. The kit contains an idler pulley, a belt, 2 drum support rollers, tri-rings, and retaining washers. Everything you need to get your dryer running again. It's made from high-quality materials, built to last. Tests show it lasts 1.7 times longer than other kits on the market. Installation is simple and can be done in about 30 minutes with basic tools. Watch the online video for step-by-step guidance. This kit tackles common dryer problems such as not starting, excessive noise, and the drum not rotating. Get your dryer working again quickly. We stand behind our product. If you're not satisfied for any reason, you can request a replacement. We're here to help. What we like. This kit is made from premium materials, resulting in exceptional durability. The straightforward installation process makes repairs quick and easy. If you want a long-lasting, easy-to-install solution, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The set was installed a few weeks ago and has been performing perfectly. The fit was good. Kit worked great. The instructions were extremely helpful. Took less than an hour. Dryer is running quiet now. Was an exact fit. Easy install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.